Generally, nebulizer is used for chronic lung diseases like COPD and asthma. This nebulizer is from Dr. Tra's Best Test Compressor Nebulizer 400, which can form fine particles of medication through its compressor atomizer. This is a quality product from Neureka Inc. USA. It has several salient features like ergonomic handle, low noise operation, efficient respiratory therapy, that is patented Respirite technology. Product specification is clearly written on this side of the box pack. Particle size of the formed mist will be 0.5 to 10 micrometer and medication capacity will be 8 milliliter. Other side of the box pack, some highlighted features of this nebulizer is written here. Effective medication delivery, one button operation, easy carry handle, complete nebulizer kit included, ideal for all ages, latex free, easy to clean and lightweight. This box packs also includes air tube, medication chamber, 5 air filter, mouthpiece and child and pediatric mask. And the price of the product, it is written printed here 3100, but I have got this product only for 1100 rupees from Flipkart. Now let's open the box pack. Let us see what type of components and kits are inside the box pack. You can see here one package contains several associated components of the nebulizer, and this is the main unit, what we call the compressor atomizer. Now some documentation from the company and this QR code for enhancing the warranty period. Now this is the user manual, how to use this product, it is written clearly. Now directly going to the main product, that is the compressor. So you can see this is white in color, really portable and handy. This pack contains the all components of the nebulizer, like this is the face mask, then medication chamber, delivery tube, pediatric mask, then extra connector, this is the mouthpiece, this is the extra filters, nose piece, and finally the lace for binding the face mask. This is the adult mask. This can be connected with the medication chamber, and this is the lead of the medication chamber by which you can adjust the airflow, called flow adjuster. Now I am connecting first the mouthpiece with this medication chamber, and then I am showing you one by one. This is your nose piece. In this way you have to fit. For complete operation, you have to connect the delivery pipe from the compressor to the medication chamber. So I am switching it on. This is single switch operation. Now I am fitting this tube from the compressor very tightly and gently. Now the other end of this pipe you have to fit with the medication chamber like this. So fitting properly. Now opening the lid of this medication chamber to fill this chamber with medication. So I am showing you this one also. So this is the closer look of this medication chamber, filling the chamber with medication. Up to 8 milliliter medicine you can fill. This is the maximum amount of medicine you can fill in this chamber. I am showing you this one. There are some graduation is depicted on the side of the chamber. After filling medicine, close the lid tightly and then switch on the compressor once again, fitting the mask with the medication chamber, and now this is ready to use. You can see the mist is coming, forming very clearly. So this one you can adjust by the flow adjuster. Now see, this mask will cover your nose and mouth both, and this is the flow adjuster by which you can adjust the airflow. Now open it. Pediatric mask can be used for child. This one, see the mist is forming properly. The same way in which you can fit the mask. and this is the mouthpiece which you keep directly in your mouth. So it depends on you in which procedure you will adopt. Several options are there: mask, mouthpiece, nosepiece, in which you are comfortable or which fits properly with you. So you can use any of the components. So this is the adapter, extra adapter company has given to you, by which you can adjust the mouthpiece differently. Lace for binding face mask, and these are the extra filters for future use. So if you want to replace the previous filter, so open this one and replace this one with new filter, and then again put it here. Very easy. Overall, this is a premium product from branded company like Dr. Trust, a quality product of Nureka Inc. USA, and finally FDA approved imported product from New York, USA. So generally this will be a good quality, premium quality. All the addresses and websites are given here one by one. And next one, this is a Respirite technology. This is a patented technology, efficient respiratory therapy. That means it will deliver the ultra fine particles to the lung. For my purchased product, I have seen one crack outside the medicine chamber. So company should have been used good quality plastic. In short, this is a premium product in reasonable price. Thank you for watching my video. Share and subscribe my channel.